Omaha Mayor Stothert says the city is working on applications for federal, state, and county funding because of pandemic-related losses. At a news conference this afternoon, she and County Health Director Dr. Adi Poor provided an update on how COVID-19 continues to impact the city. Reporter Cindy Gray has the latest.
It was the first COVID update since mid-June. The county's reached its 100th death.
When you look at the death rate, however, you would say and compare that to what they see on the national basis, we would probably say we are better off than what some other communities are seeing. But for me, every death is too much.
The positivity rate has decreased since May. It's now at 7.8%, but
we actually are seeing an increase of positive tests coming in the young population. And that is what you are hearing nationwide, and we are seeing a similar pattern here.
The 0 to 34 age range now makes up more than half of COVID cases in the county, and travel exposure is rising. Mayor Stothert addressed how the virus is impacting the city's budget.
Now that we have got our tax receipts in, we have a more accurate estimate on what the revenue loss was. And we figure it's around 56 million. So it's less than we originally thought, but it is still an enormous hole in the city budget.
Canceling the College World Series, swim trials, and Berkshire Hathaway weekend all contributed. CARES Act funding is strictly for COVID-related expenses. Now, the city must apply for funding from FEMA.
After FEMA goes through and reimburses us, then we will take the remaining amount left and turn it into both Douglas County and the state of Nebraska.
The city is still under a hiring freeze and reducing overtime.
Most of our part-time employees have been sent home without hours assigned, so they're not getting paid. Along with that, that includes all of our libraries. Our 12 public libraries still remain closed.
She says as the city remains in phase 3 of the directed health measure, the pool capacity remains at 75%.
Being an outdoor pool and being a swimming pool, we are not requiring the swimmers to wear masks. We are not requiring them to social distance since they're outside, because it's going to be almost impossible in a swimming pool for kids that are there to play to wear a mask in the water and to social distance.
And she says all lifeguards will be tested for COVID. In Omaha, Sydney Gray, 3 News Now.
The mayor also says she's been in communication with the city's library director. She says they do have plans for phased openings for libraries, but it's on hold until the city finds out about reimbursements.